Dear Professor Herman mc², I write to you with the deepest shame and gratitude. You once told me I had a certain talent for mathematics, yet here I sit, rejected by the Polytechnic, my entrance examination a disaster. Physics 4 out of 6, mathematics 3 out of 6, I failed.
1901. Albert Einstein, Flunks College, 3, 6 Zoll Math. One frantic letter to his old teacher. Inside, a sorry and the first E equals mc² scrolled in panic. Welcome to the letter room. Tonight, the world's biggest brain begs for mercy while inventing the atom bomb in the margins. One failure, one formula, one god-tier comeback. Buckle up. Einstein just turned rejection into relativity.
Zurich, Switzerland, October 3rd, 1901. Dear Professor Herman mc², I write to you with the deepest shame and gratitude. You once told me I had a certain talent for mathematics, yet here I sit, rejected by the Polytechnic, my entrance examination a disaster. Physics 4 out of 6, mathematics 3 out of 6, I failed. My father's face when he heard, I cannot describe it. I beg your forgiveness for disappointing the faith you placed in me, but I have not stopped thinking. In the margins of my failed exam paper, I scribbled something that haunts me. E equals mc². Energy equals mass times the speed of light squared. It feels true. I cannot yet prove it, but it burns in my mind like a comet. I have enrolled in a teaching diploma course, a bitter compromise. They say I must earn a living, but every night I work on the photoelectric effect, on Brownian motion, on light as particles. I send you a small paper I wrote on capillary forces. Crude, but it is a start. Please, Professor, do not abandon me. I am not the boy who solved your integrals in his head. I am becoming something else. If you could write a letter to the Polytechnic, even a line, Einstein shows promise. It might open a door. I will repay your kindness with results, not excuses. With eternal respect, Albert Einstein.
That letter wasn't a plea. It was prophecy in pencil. In 1901, Albert Einstein didn't just ask for help. He slipped the universe a cheat code. And Professor mc², he wrote the recommendation. Here's the domino effect. 1902. Einstein lands a job at the Swiss Patent Office. Third-class clerk. 1905. Annus Mirabilis. 4 papers. Photoelectric effect. Nobel 1921. Brownian motion. Special relativity. E equals mc². All born in patent. Office lunch breaks. 1915. General relativity. Bends space-time. Proves black holes. 1919. Solar eclipse. Light bends. Einstein becomes global icon. 1921. Nobel Prize. The letter's margin sketch wins the world. But the story's shadow? Einstein never forgot the failure. He kept the rejection letter in his wallet until he died. The man who rewrote physics carried a 3-6 inches math like a scar. For the letter room fans, this isn't genius worship. It's permission to fail forward. Flunked exam, patent clerk, E equals mc² in the margins. Einstein didn't wait for approval. He wrote his own syllabus. What if you did too? What if your next rejection letter became your E equals mc² moment? Drop your boldest failure to fire story in the comments. Smash like if you're scribbling in the margins tonight. Subscribe and ring the bell. Next, we crack another vault. Let's keep failing upward, one letter at a time.